everyone, are you tired of searching for the perfect lightweight hunting rifle scope without breaking the bank? With so many options out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But don't worry, today we've got you covered. We'll walk you through the top picks for lightweight hunting rifle scopes under $2,000 available on Amazon. And hey, the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 2, Leupold VX Freedom 39X Fortum Reflex Scope. Looking for a reliable hunting scope on a budget? The Leupold VX Freedom 39X Fortum is an excellent choice. Priced under $200, it combines great value with solid performance. This scope is American-made and it's built tough, with a lifetime warranty so you know you're getting quality. Whether you're shooting from a tree stand or aiming at a target 200 yards away, the VX Freedom holds its own. The 39x4 TIM magnification and 4 TIM objective lens give you versatility for medium-range shots, while the duplex reticle is simple and effective for standard hunting. Plus, it holds 0 really well after adjustments. Pros: excellent build quality, clear glass for the price, great value for budget-conscious hunters. Cons: eye relief gets tight at higher magnifications. Basic reticle design. If you don't need fancy features but want a dependable scope, the Leupold VX Freedom is a great choice. It's durable, affordable, and ideal for hunters who want no-frills performance. For those who appreciate customization, the VX Freedom also offers multiple reticle options and coatings to suit different lighting conditions. Its scratch-resistant lenses stand up to rough environments, making it a trustworthy partner for outdoor adventures. Plus, the scope is fog-proof and waterproof, ensuring consistent performance regardless of weather conditions. This scope is especially great for hunters who need reliability without constantly adjusting settings, perfect for quick hunts or when you're on the move. And at number 1, Arken Optics EPL4 FFP Illuminated Reticle. If you're looking for the best lightweight hunting rifle scope of 2024, look no further than the Arken Optics EPL4 624 FFP scope. Weighing in at only 24.7 ounces, it's lightweight, durable, and packed with features, perfect for hunters who need versatility without the bulk. The Japanese glass offers incredible clarity, and the first focal plane FFP illuminated reticle is perfect for low-light conditions. The zero-stop and capped windage turret make this scope easy to use, especially for long-range shots. Plus, it comes with a combo pack that includes rings, a bubble level, and some cool merch. How awesome is that? Pros: stunning clarity for the price. Lightweight and easy to handle. Combo pack adds value. Cons: tight eye box, tricky for quick shots. Limited reticle illumination. Low magnification range. At $440, this scope offers the features of a $1,000 optic. It's ideal for long-range shooting, but keep in mind it may take some practice to master, especially if you need quick shots. Additionally, the EPL4 is built with precision shooters in mind. Its rugged construction ensures durability in harsh hunting conditions, and its advanced reticle design allows for precise range estimation and holdover adjustments. The parallax adjustment is smooth and accurate, giving you the control needed for pinpoint accuracy at varying distances. Whether you're targeting game from across a field or practicing long-range shots at the range, the EPL4 ensures consistent performance. Honorable mention: Vortex Diamondback Tactical 41644 FFP. For hunters looking for a balance between affordability and high-end features, the Vortex Diamondback Tactical 416x44 FFP scope deserves a mention. This scope features a first focal plane reticle, exposed tactical turrets for precise adjustments, and fully multi-coated lenses for bright, clear images. Weighing 23 ounces, it strikes a great balance between performance and portability. Priced at around $450, it's another fantastic option for budget-conscious hunters. Pros: excellent clarity and build quality. Tactical turrets for easy adjustments. Solid performance for the price. Cons: slightly heavier than other lightweight options. No illumination for low-light conditions. This scope is especially great for hunters who like the feel of tactical controls without sacrificing durability. Vortex is known for its VIP lifetime warranty, so you can trust that your investment is protected. Whether you're in dense woods or open fields, the Diamondback Tactical offers versatile performance. So, which scope is the winner? If you want an affordable, solid performer that's lightweight, durable, and reliable, the Leupold VX Freedom is your pick. But if you're looking for a high-quality, feature-packed scope that can handle long-range shots with ease, the Arken Optics EPL4 takes the crown. And if you're looking for something in between with tactical features, the Vortex Diamondback Tactical is a great alternative. On this podcast, we speak about Arken Optics. The Vortex Diamondback Tacticals is a great alternative. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy hunting.